Yeah. Hey, Bob, is this yours? Hey, what's going on here? Hang on. What's the matter? Alright, give him a round of applause, been a good sport. Right, we best move that. Right, we want lots of noise. While the countdown with Big Book. Right, Nigel now. Right, this is a bit more like it. These cars, once somebody's driving, one or two of them haven't met Big Book before. So we're going to want lots of noise. Mr. Starter will give him the flag. Once he's got the countdown, we've got a transit van that took part in our land race in here a fortnight ago. Took part in the Destruction Derby. Right, so we're going to do a countdown. We want lots of noise. Ready? 5, 4, 3. What's that? Can't hear him. Right, it's got to be louder. Right. We need to be much louder. Now, are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Right, we did say occasionally Big Book breaks, but I think that's broke more than I've ever seen it break before. Right, well, get the recovery team down there. Unfortunately, it's not the plan that Nigel Morris had hoped for, indeed, any of us, as you can see. Right, Tom, right up in the air, and occasionally something has to give, and give it definitely has. So we'll deal with this as soon as we can, and, well, watch this space.